In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure TP-Link Range Extender. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and use your TP-Link Range Extender. So, this will be primarily done using WPS. All range extenders should have a button labeled as WPS or something similar, so I'm going to teach you how to use this method to easily configure your range extender regardless of the model that you have. First of all, make sure that it is plugged into a wall outlet. And now, to start on your router, you will be able to enable WPS. So on your router, look for the WPS button. Usually it is going to be at the back. It is either going to be labeled as WPS, it will have a different color like blue, or you will see these icons here of two arrows next to each other. Just find the option related to WPS. If you aren't sure, check the manual for your particular model and then press and hold it. If your router has a WPS LED, you will also see it blinking, indicating that WPS is now ready to pair to another device. So now, on the actual TP-Link receiver, look for the WPS button. On this model, for example, it is going to be this little diamond-shaped button, but on the one that I showcased here, it is going to be at the top. So all that you have to do is press the button related to WPS on the router and then on the range extender. This will allow them to talk to each other, communicate, and essentially extend the range. So you don't have to do anything else. As long as WPS is set up, the lights should be lit like this, indicating that the connection was set up. So the Wi-Fi light will be on and you will see the 2.4G and the 5G lights also lit up, indicating that the network has now been detected. If you go to the Wi-Fi settings on any device, you will see the main networks that you have. So on this example here, one home 5G, and then the extended networks. So the ones that are created by the range extender. And as long as you choose these, you will be connecting to the range extender from TP-Link. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect TP-Link Range Extender. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.